Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see how we can fork one repository on GitHub. So fork means creating a copy of a repository. So suppose we have one repository A and this is someone else's repository. So Git does not allow us to add code to someone else's repository. So in that case we can create one fork of that repository. So forking basically means creating a copy of that repository. Now we have one copy of that repository in our own GitHub profile. Now we can make changes to our fork, we can add new files, we can modify this repository, and all of these modifications will not affect the original repository. Now there are two scenarios when we should create a fork. First of all, if we wanted to contribute to someone else's project, or secondly we wanted to create our own project based on this previously built project. In both of these cases we can create one fork of that repository. Now once we have done with all of that modifications, then we can always contribute back to that original repository with the pull request. So we can create one pull request to contribute to that original repository. Let's now see how we can fork one project. So here we are on the GitHub and here we have someone else's Amazon clone project. Suppose we wanted to create one project based on this project. Because we do not have access to that project, so we cannot make direct changes to that project. In that case, what we can do, we can create one fork. So here we have one fork button and you can see a lot of fork has been done from this repository. So we have to simply click on that. So here we can give one name to that project and here we can add some description. So we're gonna keep it as it is and click on create fork. And this will redirect to our own GitHub profile. So here inside our GitHub profile we have this Amazon clone project and this has been forked from the other profile. Now because this is one copy of the original project, so here we can make changes, we can add features, and this will not affect the original project. And after we have done all of the changes, then we can always contribute back to the original project by creating a pull request. So we use forking when we wanted to contribute to someone else's project, or we wanted to create our own project based on someone else's project. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.